Hello ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you a quick introduction to the Maxwell plugin for Rhino 6. Okay, cool. What you will find when you have just installed the Maxwell plugin for Rhino 6. You will notice the new toolbar here. You will notice also a Maxwell menu. And you will find Maxwell for Rhino in the current renderer menu here. Okay, but you will need more things to control Maxwell, so we would suggest to open some particular panels where you will find the main Maxwell options. So the first one you want to open is the renderer panel, where you will find the main Maxwell settings for the engine, such as sampling level limit, time limit, multi-light, extra sampling, denoiser, etc. We will need also the environment panel, where you can add Maxwell environment and control the properties. We will also need the sun. Well, this is mainly Rhino sun, but Maxwell will benefit from it also. We will need a properties panel, where you will find Maxwell properties for the different objects, the Maxwell properties for the camera, and Maxwell properties for the Rhino lights. And we will also need the materials panel, where you can add Maxwell material. Okay, let's see what we have in the render panel. Once you set it as the current renderer, you'll notice this panel will show up. It has 4 different tabs. But let's see what we have here before. At first, we will have solid color by default, but it is recommended to use Maxwell environment to get the best result. So you have to select this option, and you can directly add a new Maxwell environment from here. Okay, it will show up in the environment panel too, and you can also activate the sun here. Okay, at this point, if you're going to use Maxwell very often, we suggest to create a template with Maxwell and environment settings like this, so you don't have to create a new Maxwell environment every time or enable the sun and all those stuff. So you just load the Maxwell template and everything gets ready to work for Maxwell. Okay, right below this we find, as we said before, the main Maxwell settings for the main settings for the engine. They are divided in 4 tabs. The first 2 are the most important, at least for the beginning, where you can set the different limits, sampling level and time limits, the engine you want to use for rendering, as well as the GPUs you want to use, for the multi-GPU options. You can set here the multi-light, you can set the denoiser, you can set the extra sampling options. And this is very important too, the output tab, where you can specify where you want to save all the Maxwell output, the name, the different formats you can save it to, and also the channels, the different channels, all the channels that you can generate along with the Maxwell render. Also here we have, well, some global options and the post-process options like simulens, tone mapping, and overlay text. And this is all for now. Bye.